Hello, my dear students. Here I am with you all with another interesting topic, that is water. Water and its utility. So, tell me, how do you feel when you are thirsty? Yes, your throat begins to dry. You feel uneasiness and your body parts become loose. Is it? And what happened after drinking water? After drinking or after taking water, your body becomes active. So, water is used in our daily important activities like in drinking, cleaning, cooking, bathing, irrigation, fire extinguishing, and for generation of electricity. Like air, water is also essential for the life of all living beings. So, water is an essential component in our daily lives, or we can say, in other words, water is life. Life on earth is only due to water, so water is a precious gift given by nature. In addition to the domestic usefulness and requirement of water, it is required in the field of agriculture, industry, and power generation. Utility of water in human body, for industries, in generation of electricity, in daily work, in agriculture, for transportation, basic component of living organism, habitat of many flora and fauna, dispersal of seeds and fruits, in the field of entertainment. In human body, water is very essential for human beings. This transmits the essential elements of food from one organ to another. Water controls the body temperature. Many activities in human body releases harmful substances like urea and salts. So these urea and salts are eliminated through urine and sweat in the form of water. In organisms, blood is transmitted through the water. For industries, water is used in boiler to produce steam, to dissolve the chemicals, and to clean the machines in the industries. In generation of electricity, electricity is also generated by the water. Electricity is generated by making dam on the rivers. In our daily work, we use water in our daily life for drinking, cooking, cleaning, laundry, bathing, toilets, and for irrigation purpose. In agriculture, water is essential for germination of seeds, photosynthesis process, biological function of plants. Irrigation is impossible without water. For the purpose of irrigation, we require water. Many minerals are dissolved in water. They are absorbed with the water by the roots of plants and reach to their different parts. For transportation, goods and human beings can be transported from one place to another by the boat, by ships, in the river and sea. Water as a basic component of living organisms. Yes, water is the basic component for the living beings. Water is present in large quantity in the body of plants and animals. According to a study, the weight of water in human body is 70%, in elephant it is 80%, and in plants it is 60%. In this way, most of the water is present in the body of all living beings. Habitat of many flora and fauna. Flora means plants and fauna means animals. Animals like fish, frog, duck, crab, turtle, and plants like lotus, water chestnut, and pondweed are found in water. Similarly, in river, large animals like crocodile, alligator, and in sea, whale, seals, dolphins, and various types of aquatic plants like water lily, water lettuce, water hyacinth are present. Dispersal of seeds and fruits by water. The dispersal of seeds and fruits of trees which are at the bank of river is also done through the flow of water. In the field of entertainment, yes, we all love to swim, we all love boating, we all go to water parks. So, it is because of water. If water is present, we are present and the life is possible. So, at last, we can say that water is an important, is an essential component of our life, and we can't even think of our life without water.